In this video, we're going to learn how to compare two items in Japanese. Let's start with a simple sentence. Japan is smaller. In English, we change the adjective small to smaller to show a comparison, but in Japanese, we don't. Instead, we can think of the sentence as Japan is more small. It may sound strange in English, but this is how comparison work in Japanese. To say Japan is more, we use the something no hou ga pattern. So Japan is more is Nihon no hou ga. Then we add the adjective for small, which is chisai desu. So Japan is smaller is Nihon no hou ga chisai desu. Let's say Japan is smaller than Canada. In Japanese, than something is expressed with something yori. So than Canada is Kanada yori. Altogether, Japan is smaller than Canada is Nihon no hou ga Kanada yori chisai desu. Now, as a quick note, in Japanese, the phrase than Canada can come before Japan is more. So we could also say カナダより日本の方が小さいです。Both sentences are correct and commonly used. Now let's talk about how to ask a comparison question. We'll start with a simple question. Which is smaller? In Japanese, it's structured as which is more small. We use the question word どっち for which, followed by の方が小さいですか? So, which is smaller is どっちの方が小さいですか? If we want to specify the two things we're comparing, like Japan or Canada, we use the と particle to list them like 日本とカナダと. So, which is smaller, Japan or Canada, is 日本とカナダとどっちの方が小さいですか? If we want to sound more formal, we can replace どっち with どちら. Both means which, but どっち can be used in both formal and casual situations. On the other hand, どちら is used only in formal situations. So the more formal way to ask which is smaller, Japan or Canada, is 日本とカナダとどちらの方が小さいですか? Let's practice with more examples. Which is more interesting, manga or anime? 漫画とアニメとどっちの方が面白いですか? 漫画とアニメとどっちの方が面白いですか? It's also good to know that どっちが can be used instead of どっちの方が in question sentences, especially in conversations. So we can also say 漫画とアニメとどっちが面白いですか? 漫画とアニメとどっちが面白いですか? Anime is more interesting than 漫画. 漫画よりアニメの方が面白いです。漫画よりアニメの方が面白いです。Both manga and anime are interesting. 漫画もアニメも面白いです。漫画もアニメも面白いです。Or we can also say both are interesting. どっちも面白いです。どっちも面白いです。Which do you think is more fun? 京都 or 東京? 京都と東京とどっちの方が楽しいと思いますか? 京都と東京とどっちの方が楽しいと思いますか? Let's say your friend asks you what kind of person you like, and your answer is I like a kind person more than a smart person. 頭がいい人より優しい人 の方が好きです。頭がいい人より優しい人の方が好きです。Now let's try some quizzes. Can you say taxi is faster? タクシーの方が早いです。タクシーの方が早いです。Can you say taxi is faster than bus? バスよりタクシーの方が早いです。バスよりタクシーの方が早いです。Can you say, which do you like, Ghibli or Disney? ジブリとディズニーとどっちの方が好きですか？ジブリとディズニーとどっちの方が好きですか？ Can you say, I like both? どっちも好きです。どっちも好きです。Can you say, ひらがな is easier than 漢字。漢字よりひらがなの方が簡単です。漢字よりひらがなの方が簡単です。Today we learned how to compare two items in Japanese. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。